What's up? I got me and little Ellie Mae here. So on Thursday in Kauai, Bailey and Coleman found this awesome waterfall hike that we did. The actual hike was only like a quarter mile long, maybe a little longer, but it took us almost an hour to get down to the bottom because it was so muddy and steep. It was a lot of fun. I love doing things like this. It was very adventurous. We were able to like swim, climb up some rocks, and get behind the falls, which was pretty cool. It was such a cool view. It looked like a totally different country there. It looked like somewhere that Jurassic Park was filmed. I don't know that that part was in the movie at all, but it sure looked like it could have been. But here's the clip from that little hike, and I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Peace!
Oh my gosh! Get on your side. How's it going up there, Coleman? Well, one way looks muddy and one way doesn't, but one way has a rope and one way doesn't. We got that? You must decide! Yes, and then there's Thomas.
That rock that's sticking out where I'm kind of pointing to right there? Yes, that one.
Go say bye, Ellie Mae. Everybody loves a cheese and baby.